By the end of 2020, YouTube Music will completely replace Google Play Music. Over the last couple of months, Google Play Music users have been able to seamlessly transfer their music libraries and taste preferences to YouTube Music. But now Google have announced that Google Play Music will become obsolete by December. They are also making changes to the Google Play Store and the Music Manager. Starting in October 2020, users will no longer be able to stream from or use their Google Play Music app. They will have until December 2020 to move their music libraries to YouTube Music. After that, user libraries will no longer be available, so if you use Google Play Music, it's time to transfer your data before you lose it. To make sure users are happy to make the move, Google have been updating YouTube Music features. You can create assistive playlists based on personal signals, you can collaborate with others on new playlists, and there are new programmed playlists around themes. You can also redesign your player page, and there's an Explore tab to find new releases. YouTube Music has also been integrated into Android TV, Google Maps and Google Assistant. For users who chose not to transfer their subscription will be cancelled at the end of your billing cycle. This will be in September for New Zealand and South Africa, and then October for everybody else. Don't forget to get these updates straight to your inbox. Subscribe using the link in the description.